Saturday the 29th. We had a little frost last night. Really happy with the new pump I got. Did a nutrient change. Anyways, had frost last night, but no, nothing here. Got some nice tomatoes. The peppers are looking good. Harvested some tomatoes here. You can see that they're starting to come up again. Got some back there too. Back there. Cucumbers are looking pretty good. Look at the bell peppers are looking good. Just got to get rid of this old growth here. If anybody could tell me what caused this, you know, a little bit of this, I don't know what you want to call it, pear shape here. So anyways, I guess this kind of hit a little bit over here. A little frosting, I don't know. Anyways, that's the update. Gotta do some adjustments here. Got a leak going on here. Trying to hold off until the last minute here on this changing out the buckets. So I'll just keep adding to it. So then cucumbers, still got tomatoes. Still got some buds going on here. The tomatoes too. All right. Peace out, you guys. Have an awesome Saturday. Have a good weekend.